Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to buy crypto with credit card on crypto.com. First of all, open the crypto.com app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, tap on the buy button at the top and then choose the cryptocurrency. Once selected, enter the preferred amount and proceed to the next step. After that, tap on Got It and you will be prompted to enter your email address. Once you have entered it, select the Continue button at the bottom and a verification code will be sent to it. Simply open the email, paste in the verification code and select Continue. On this page, you just need to select Add a Card button at the bottom and you will be prompted to enter your card details. Simply enter them and save the details. After that, tap on Pay Now and that's it. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.